how to find your Steam ID. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your file manager. In the left hand menu, tap on this PC and then head over to local disk. Now head over to program files x86 and then look for the Steam folder. You need to click on it. Inside Steam folder, you should see the option where it says config.pdf. Double click on it and it might ask you how you want to open this file. You can choose to open it with the notepad. Well, you'll see the page with the informations like this. Tap on edit at the top left. And in the source bar, you need to search for accounts. Tap on find next. Well, right here just below account, you will get to see your Steam ID. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to find your Steam ID. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.